Okay, so now we're going to go over what will happen in your third session. Now this might not actually be your third session because you might choose to do more making sessions than just one. So that's going to be up to you, but this will be the third type of session, which will be your sharing and revision session. And in the sharing and revision session, we'd like you to either have the kids all sit around the rug or get together and basically showcase what they've done so far with their peers. So, for example, we've got Aubrey here, and she's going to share what she's done. And really, this is for the students to share what they made and how it solved the problem. So what did you make and how did it solve the problem?
I made a robotic hand that moves and turns like joints on a hand, and we were supposed to pick up as many cotton balls as we could in 30 seconds. So I made it so it could grab things and put them somewhere else.
That's great. And how did you come up with how to make this actually bend in the right places?
Well, if you cut the holes, I was thinking that it would be it would be easier for it to bend. So cutting the holes made it so it would bend in those places.
That's great. So what we want to do when we ask the students to share is also really encourage those students who have worked really hard to see how they've solved the problem and think about it as not necessarily a finished product, but really about a process and how they thought through that. And when some students maybe haven't gotten the project as far, we really want to help them see what other students did and give them some encouragement to keep working. And so one of the things that we'll do is after everybody is shared and you've given every student a chance to talk about their project, what they'll do is they'll go back to their workspace and they're going to work on this I Can Make It Better worksheet. And this goes along with the engineering standards to really work on the revisions, and they're going to have another chance to work on their project more after this session. So the I Can Make It Better worksheet will give them an opportunity to think about how they're going to revise their design, make any new sketches, and then go into the next session with plans for finalizing their project.